Instagram, I want to just say something, bro. Like, people swear they're going to get results, different results every single time doing the same damn shit. No, man, that's not how it works, bro. If I jump off the fucking balcony right now, the 12th floor right now, do it 20,000 times, guess what? Head first. We'll get the same results. I'm going to die 20,000 fucking times. Okay, maybe this time, at least I'll be crippled. No, motherfucker, you're going to die. And people keep doing the same damn shit, thinking they're going to get different results. No, bro, it's not how it's gonna. It doesn't work like that. You get the same results every single time, and that's a little mindset. That's a little stupid mindset people have, and that's why they stay in the same place, because they keep doing the same fucking shit, thinking they're gonna get results every single time that are gonna be in their favor. No, you keep doing the same damn thing, you're not gonna get the results you want. Why? Because you're doing the same damn thing. You're gonna get the same results. If it's not working out for you, it's not gonna work out for you, bruh. It's not. Change it up. Change it up.